Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So today is another episode of Shop My Stash and a little get ready with me. So I've already primed my face and now I'm going to start off with color correcting. I'm using the Conceal and Define Concealer in C13 around the eyes. Then for foundation, Dolce Gabbana Everlast, L'Oreal Freshwear 32-hour infallible. This is too yellow, this is too dark. So I'm just gonna mix the two on my palette. The yellow of that Dolce Gabbana is still coming through. Then for my highlighting concealer, I'm going to use the Lancôme concealer. To bronze, I'm gonna use this Revolution collab with Rachel Leary, the Goddess on the Go Face and Shadow palette. So this is the palette I'm going to be using today for bronzer, blush, highlight, not blush, bronzer and eyeshadow. I can actually wait. Okay, yeah, for bronzer and eyeshadow I'll use this one. So I'm gonna go in with, this is actually, it used to be my favorite bronzer before I started using others. It's a really nice warm toned bronzer, and I've almost hit pan actually. See how nice and warm it is? Gorge. Stunning. Now the highlighters in here, I don't like them because they're too glittery, so I'd rather not use them. But the bronzer, chef's kiss. I also want to, the reason why I pulled out this palette is because I hardly use it because the color story of the eyeshadows is very confusing for me. And every time I open it, I'm just like stuck. I'm like, what do I do? So usually I just use one of these, those two orange shades as like one and done shades, because anything else I'm just like, girl, I don't know what I can come up with here. But today I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and come up with something. And then setting the eyes with the Essence Brighten Up powder. Ooh. Not too much. Yeah, but too much. Did not need to be that highlighted. But no. That is a very bright highlight. I need to tone that down, girl. I'm gonna use the Sheglam Insta-Ready Twin 1. I'm gonna use the bottom shade just to tone the super bright highlight that I have going on here, unintentional. Okay, better. That was a bit much. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use LA Girl Spice. I'm going to do a combination of those two on there. Do we see blush? Let me put some more. Okay. I'm gonna use Red Velvet and Chai. So Red Velvet and Chi. I'm gonna put Red Velvet all over the lid. It's actually a really pretty color. I'm gonna begin with the concealer brush just to clean up here. And then I'm gonna go into Chai. Just put that this is pretty. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, so here's another eyeshadow combo I can do besides the one and done. Okay, so this is the eye look. I've put on a little bit of liner. I've put Red Velvet like at the outer corner, and then Chai in the inner corners, and then just finish that up. Put on liner like I said, and one coat of mascara, and I think I'll put on like 2 more coats because I don't really feel like putting on lashes. But yeah, this is the eye look. For lip combo, I'm gonna take this Essence 8 Matte. This shade is 11, the shade of the lip liner. I'm gonna blend out the edges of this lip liner with the Sheglam So lippy lip liner. The shade is mojave. Put it in the description box. This one is like exactly the color of my lips. I just use it to like blend out. But why is my nose running? Catrice 12-hour Pro Ink non-transfer lipstick in the shade 160. This looks a little gray. Yeah, that's enough because it's giving a little cost. So while this is drying, I'm gonna put on another coat of mascara. You know what, let me use the volume side because I'm using the curl side now, or I've been using the curl side. So this is the volume side of the mascara. Okay, so back with everything done. I just added a little bit of this Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the shade 12 Dazzling Apricot in the center, just for a little bit of something. But otherwise, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you been shopping your stash? Please leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Otherwise, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!